Hi, I'm Ira Kalish, Chief Economist of Deloitte, and this is your weekly economic update. There was a lot of news this past week. The U.S. Supreme Court invalidated tariffs that the U.S. administration had imposed over the past year on the basis of the IEEPA law, which is a law that gives the president the authority to restrict economic relations with other countries when there's an economic emergency. The administration justified its actions, saying that persistent trade deficits were the national emergency. The Supreme Court ruled otherwise, saying that the administration's use of that law was inappropriate, and they invalidated the tariffs, and there may actually be refunds given to those who paid them. But the administration quickly pivoted and implemented other tariffs. After that, it's expected that the administration will pivot to other legal uses of tariffs, such as Section 301, which enables the administration to impose tariffs after an investigation and a finding that a country has engaged in unfair trade practices, or Section 232, which says that the president can impose tariffs when there's a national security issue involved. Now, the current administration has already imposed many tariffs on the basis of those two laws and will probably impose others. So at the end of the day, the U.S. will continue to have relatively high tariffs. What has changed, however, is a new level of uncertainty. There was a lot of uncertainty in 2025, but by the end of the year, after a number of trade agreements have been reached, there was a sense of stability, that the uncertainty that had enveloped the world of trade had simmered down. Now we're back to uncertainty again because we don't know what's going to happen after the current tariffs expire. And so for companies that are globally exposed, they don't know what to expect. And this is likely to have a dampening effect on their willingness to invest in their supply chains. And I hope you have a good week.